Okay, children. So paper number 4 we are doing, children. Paper number 4. Did you write? So the atomic radius of three elements A, B, C. Children, the atomic radius of elements A, B, C are given as 186 picometer. 186 picometer, 104 picometer, and other one is 143 picometer. Okay, children. Question is, giving a reason, arrange these elements in increasing order of atomic numbers in the period. In a period, tell me what happens to atomic size.
Decreases.
Yes, in a period, atomic size decreases. First, you have to write, in period, atomic size decreases. In period, atomic size decreases. Atomic size decreases. So first A will come, then B, C will come, then B will come, children. Okay, so arrange the means, first you should write, in period atomic size decreases, underline atomic size, and A. If you don't draw this symbol, we will not get marks, children. And no sir, I want some more to write, means you can write in period why atomic size decreases, because number of electrons increases, nuclear attraction power increases, electron tries to come
Closer
closer,
to me.
Closes.
atomic size decreases.
Decreases.
Atomic size decreases in a period, atomic size decreases in a period, number of electrons increases, nuclear attraction power increases, electron tries to come closer, therefore atomic size decreases in a period. Second question. Name one substance which is produced in anaerobic respiration by organism but not in aerobic respiration.
Ethyl.
Yeah, in some organisms you'll get ethanol, and in some organisms you'll get lactic acid. In some organisms you'll get ethanol, and in some organisms you'll get lactic acid. Okay, children, next. A chemical bond is an attractive force, children. Okay, so you can read three case study, children. I will give you 10 seconds time. Please go through, children. Please go through all of you. A chemical bond is an attractive force that builds the atom together or compound. The element carbon is known as the unique ability to form bonds with similar atoms or atoms of other elements. This property of carbon has resulted in its having large number of compounds. Carbon-carbon bond is also known as very strong and stable. First question, who will answer? Name chemical bond formed between carbon-carbon.
Covalent bond.
Carbon will form covalent bonds. Carbon will form covalent bonds. Why carbon will form covalent bonds, children? Because
Because it has four electrons
because
each
it has
one.
four
Yes,
electrons. Because it has
It can
four
either.
electrons. So carbon will form always covalent bonds. Why? Because it cannot give four electrons. It cannot take four electrons, but it can share four electrons. Next, how is the bond formed?
by sharing of electrons.
By sharing of electrons, bond is formed. Why are carbon and its compounds used as fuels?
Because they liberate large amounts of energy.
On
Combustion.
combustion, they liberate
Large amounts of energy.
large amounts of energy. They are exothermic in nature. Okay, one reaction, suppose if you don't write, what happens? You will not get marks. At least in my exam, I will not give. Okay, name two allotropes of carbon, famous allotropes of carbon.
Diamond and
Diamond and
graphite.
graphite.
Diamond, graphite, fullerene, carbon, coke, charcoal, lamp black. So many are there, children. Fourth question. Please go to fourth question, children. So fourth question is there like this somewhat, children. They have given four elements A, B, C, D, and the salts are iron sulfate, copper sulfate. We see here, children, iron sulfate, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, silver nitrate, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate. Okay, children. So first question, they are saying with iron sulfate no displacement. Okay, and no reaction. Sorry, children. They said no reaction, and here what they said, displacement will occur. Here no, here no. What is the next one given, children? Displacement, no reaction, no reaction. And here also, children, how many model papers you do, that much strong you become, children. Remember, because reading theory everyone will read, but how to attempt, if our questions are coming, many of people will fail in that only. Displacement, no reaction. How to solve this question, children? So first let me say children how to do. We know what is the activity series: potassium,
AN,
sodium,
Ca, Mg, Al, Zn, iron, lead, hydrogen, hydrogen, copper, Hg, metal.
mercury, silver. So children, A is no reaction with FeSO4 but displacing copper sulfate. So between iron and copper, our A is present. It is not reacting with Fe but is reacting with Cu. Second one, second one, B is displacing iron sulfate but not displacing zinc sulfate. Between zinc and iron, our B is present somewhere. C is able to displace silver nitrate but not copper. Between copper and silver, our C is there. D, not reacting with any one of them. It is at the bottom, not reacting with any one of them. Now the questions will start. What is the most reactive among A, B,
B.
C, D?
B.
B is most reactive. Next, the metal which is used stored in kerosene.
Sorry.
Potassium and sodium.
Potassium and sodium are stored in kerosene. The metals which are stored in kerosene, potassium and sodium, because if you keep outside, they catch fire. They, when exposed to air or moisture, they catch fire. Next, what would you observe is B is added to copper sulfate.
Displacement reaction.
B displaces
BSO4
copper.
plus Cu.
You should write BSO4 plus Cu. You should write B displaces copper, and you should write in exam B is more reactive than copper. Like this, if you write only, you get marks in exam. Next, arrange A, B, C, D in decreasing order. Decreasing order means
BACD.
B, A, C, D. Suppose if you don't keep this one symbol, I will not give marks, children. Remember, hundreds of times I am telling again and again. Please follow the rules. Okay, children. Next, the filtration units of kidneys are called
Nephrons.
What are the filtration units of the kidneys are called?
Nephrons.
Nephrons are the filtration units of the kidneys. Next question. You are given water, mustard oil, glycerine, kerosene. You are given water, oil, glycerine, kerosene.
Oil.
Okay. So, in which of this media, light in when the most, when the most means more refractive index. More refractive index means which is having more refractive index?
Glycerin.
Glycerin has more refractive index, so more bending will be in glycerin. Glycerin is having more refractive index, so glycerin has more bending. Try to understand. Glycerin has more refractive index, so glycerin has more bending. In glycerin, light bends more. More refractive index, more bending. More refractive index, more bending. Okay, children. Next, seventh question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Economic development is linked to environmental conservation. Is it true? Which of the statement is incorrect?
It's correct only, sir.
It's correct only. Let's check. We'll come back. B. Sustainable development meets the current basic human needs and also future generation.
Correct only, sir.
Sustainable means future generations. Sustainable development does not take into consideration the viewpoint of all stakeholders.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. We'll see. And sustainable development is long planned and persistent development. True.
Correct.
So C is incorrect, children. C is incorrect. Okay. Next one, children. In Mendel's periodic table, gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found in a place of the periodic
Sir,
table later?
one more question is also there before that.
According to Mendel's periodic table, the elements were arranged in the periodic table in increasing order of their
Atomic masses.
atomic weight, children. Okay, atomic mass or atomic weight is same. Okay, atomic mass or atomic weight is same. In Mendel's periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing of their atomic weight. Okay, and atomic weight. Or what is the next question? What are the three gaps, children? Eka, boron.
Eka,
silicon,
Eka,
aluminium.
Eka, boron was later discovered as
scandium,
Scandium,
germanium,
Gallium and
germanium.
Silicon later discovered as germanium. Next, children, ninth question. A cross between tall plant, homozygous, and short plant is resulted in the progeny that were all Tall
Tallness
parents. Because
is the dominant trait.
Tallness
Tallness is the dominant trait.
tallness is the dominant trait. In the first generation, always dominant trait only will be reflected. Okay, so the next question. Offsprings are formed as a result of sexual reproduction exhibit more variations because sexual reproduction give more variations. Why?
3, sir. Genetic material come from two parents of
Yeah, genetic material comes from two parents. Genetic material comes from two parents. Or
Sir, of same species, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
yeah,
It is different species, sir. It's 2. Option 2.
comes from genetic material comes from two parents of same species. Yes.
Same species.
Okay, okay, same species. I didn't see that. Okay, children, reproduction is essential for living organisms to order, in order to
Continues the species generation after generation.
species
Fourth.
generation after
Fourth.
generations. Next, 11th question. 11th question. Electrical resistivity of a given material depends upon
Its thickness and
nature. Resistivity depends only on nature.
Resistivity.
Resistivity depends only on the nature. Resistivity depends only on the nature. Size of the pupil of the eye is adjusted by
Sir, there is an OR question. So the instrument used for measuring electric current.
instrument used to measure the current.
galvanometer.
Measure
Sorry,
ammeter.
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 Measure is ammeter. Next, the size of pupil is adjusted by
Ciliary muscles.
ciliary muscle. Size of the pupil is adjusted by size of the pupil is adjusted by iris. Size of the pupil is adjusted by iris. Iris will control the size of pupil. Pupil controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Okay, children? You're able to understand, children?